Imagine a place where turquoise waters meet golden sands, where nature's beauty remains untouched by modern chaos. Welcome to Astola Island, Pakistan's largest offshore island and a hidden gem in the Arabian Sea. Astola isn't just about pristine beaches. It's a world of mystery and adventure. The island is famous for its dramatic rock formations, crystal-clear waters, and diverse marine life. It's even home to an abandoned lighthouse, adding a touch of eerie beauty to this untouched paradise. Dive beneath the waves and you'll discover a vibrant underwater world. The island is surrounded by coral reefs, making it a perfect spot for snorkeling and scuba diving. If you're lucky, you might even spot sea turtles and exotic fish. For thrill seekers, Astola offers camping under the stars, hiking across rugged terrain and kayaking in serene waters. Since there are no hotels or facilities, visitors must bring their own supplies, making it a true off-grid experience. And when the sun sets, the sky transforms into a canvas of stars, perfect for astrophotography or simply soaking in the peaceful vibes of this remote island. Astola isn't just beautiful, it's ecologically important. Declared a marine protected area in 2017, the island is home to endangered species like the green sea turtle and various seabirds. Visitors are encouraged to leave no trace and help preserve this natural wonder. So, how do you get here? Most travelers take a boat from Pasni or Karachi, but be prepared for a rugged journey. The best time to visit is October to March, when the weather is pleasant. Since there's no infrastructure, make sure to bring your own food, water and camping gear. Astola Island is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a place where adventure meets tranquility, where nature remains untouched and where memories are made. So, are you ready to explore Pakistan's best-kept secret? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Have you been to Astola? Share your experiences in the comments below.